Now, you know, Earth is not the only planet that experiences winters. NASA is sharing what winter is like on Mars. It includes cube-shaped snow and sub-zero temperatures. Jeff St. Clair has all the details in this week's Spot on Science.
You think it gets cold here in the winter? That's nothing compared to the minus 190 degrees Fahrenheit on the red planet. Earth is not the only planet in our solar system that experiences winter. Mars also gets snow, ice, and freezing temperatures, but because of its elliptical orbit, it can take almost 2 Earth years for winter to come back around on Mars. Thanks to NASA's robotic Mars rovers, scientists can now tell that Mars can get ice and snow from 2 different elements, H2O, or water, like we do here on Earth, and dry ice from CO2, or carbon dioxide. Snow occurs only at the coldest extremes of Mars, at the poles, under clouds, and at night. Cameras orbiting can't see through those clouds, and surface missions can't survive in the extreme cold. So that means there's no pictures of the falling snow on Mars. The closest we ever got was in 2008, when NASA sent the Phoenix lander within 1,000 miles of Mars' North Pole. They used a laser instrument to detect water ice snow falling. The air there is so thin that water ice snow never actually reaches the ground. It sublimates, or becomes a gas as it falls. But dry ice snow, on the other hand, actually does reach the ground. The molecules that form carbon dioxide follow a 4-sided symmetry, and many scientists think dry ice snow would be cube-shaped, but smaller than the width of your hair. Water and carbon dioxide both form frost on Mars, and both types of frost appear far more widely across the planet than snow does. The CO2 ice that covers the landscape does not melt, but instead changes between solid and gas in the atmosphere. Sublimation again. Once winter is over and Mars begins to thaw, some pretty unique surface features start forming, like spider-shaped formations, Dalmatian dots, and fried eggs. Within an entire winter season, Mars can collect up to 7 feet of snow. Hey, I wonder if I can ski on a Martian crater.
Thanks, Jeff. That was so cool. Well, for our writing question this week, we want to know, what do you think winter looks like on your favorite planet? For this question, you have to consider the planet's atmosphere, the average temperature, and if it has water. Now, head online to give us your wintry descriptions.